En garde, Musketeer. Today we are moving like we're going for a duel. We need our Musketeer training, our grace, our strength, and a little fun along the way. Nice inhale up, exhale, forward fold. And there, Musketeer, neck is relaxed. Look at your feet, look at the outer part of your feet. Try to line that top, maybe bringing the big toe in. Press in your feet, engage your legs, one towards the other, strong in your boots, feeling the ground before we mount our horse. Now, I don't know if we want to mount it this way. Maybe we want to mount our horse this way. Ooh, I don't know. Maybe just on my tiptoe here. Maybe someone can lift me on my horse. Oh, let's try now. We can keep our arms down, of course. Let's try the other side. Maybe it's easier. Foot feeling grounded in the ground, toes digging in. Ooh. Big inhale up, exhale. A little balance. Maybe your arms are to the side. Maybe they're at your sword and belt. Exhale the foot down. Lift just one foot, the other. Let's alternate arms. Our Musketeer are marching. Involve as little or as much as your body as you want. Greeting your friends. You're arriving for training. Big inhale up, exhale down. Oh, let's start moving our hands forward into a horse stance. So now a little plank, maybe the knees are down. Just get your distance here. Press in your arms engage one towards the other, Musketeer. Bend your knees if you must. Nice little down horse. This is the little kick, little donkey kick. Little Musketeer horse to get on. And it's down because we couldn't climb on top. So let's come closer to our horse. Inhale up, climb, 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 climb. One foot over it. And let's get on our horse. Body is straight. Let's bring our feet forward a little bit. You may have your toes out a little, of course. Body is straight. It's just a very light bounce. We're not going very far here. Just bouncing, but we want to also engage our legs together. Feel the ground with your feet, your toes, your heel, the side of your feet. And legs engage. Tall, little soft bend in the knee. Inhale your arms up. Adjust your big feather hat. Maybe your hat is down here, so adjust your movement. Adjust your feathers. Inhale up, exhale down. Maybe looking to the side. Make sure all is safe and all is well with our friends here. All is great. Oof, let's move our cape out of the way as we come up, engaging our legs one into the other. And en garde, choo-choo. Now we don't want this sword to come and hit us in the shoulder and the arm, so we're gonna move into a nice line. Maybe lining up with the leg. This arm can be on your hip. It gets tiring like this, right? Very mindful motion. We don't swing anything. Maybe you want to Zorro your way in there. Whichever you want. Lots of work here. Make sure the knees move back a little bit and doesn't collapse in. And your stand can be as small as you wish. And let's come back to center. Let's turn the other leg. I want your heel right in the middle of your boot in the back here. Knee, if possible, above your ankle, and the knee is out. What's important here is coming with this sword. We don't want our side shoulder or arm to be in the way. En garde. Very gentle. You can go very low with your arm. Make sure it feels free and good. Any little thing that don't feel right, just stop, modify, maybe just keep yourself proud, graceful. Let's move to the center of our mat. Again, Musketeer, look up. Adjust your hat. Adjust the feather of your hat. Adjust your cape. And en garde. En garde. Oh, exhale, shoulders down. Your sword comes from your finger and to the other fingers, and that's your big sword here. Maybe looking at the end of your fingers or wherever it's relaxed for your neck. And let's have a nice little peaceful warrior. Oh, feel how nice it is. Pressing the front foot into the mat and the knee opening out. Or pressing towards out so it doesn't collapse in. You can put both hands on the hips always, so remember that. Exhale forward, maybe, ooh, a little support here, right? Open the hip, open the shoulder, look around you, look up, look up. Oh, nice. Oh, en garde. And other side. You can just make a foot, or you can just step in it for a little more fun. Shoulder back, hip back. En garde. Choo, choo, choo. Nice long sword. Hip, back hip, out. Front knee out, moving out, making room here on your hips. Shoulders are down, maybe looking forward. Tummy is tight, tight. Just pick one or two of the thing I say and focus on whatever works for you, not every little detail. And oh, let's move a little back here, looking up. And feeling that nice stretch. Oh. Opening the shoulder back. And exhale. Oh, come front. Maybe just hanging there. Your hands can be on your hip, can be up. You can like look up. Oh, what's that? They didn't have airplanes back then, so it's like press in your foot. Press in your foot. Let's come back to the middle. Right from where we are. We're gonna inhale up, exhale down. Catch the ground. Move back a little bit into your down dog. Oh, or down horse. And just for a little bit of stillness, keep a nice bend in the knee, or at least a soft bend in your knees. Chest drawing towards the mat, arms engaged one towards the other. Neck is very relaxed. Whoa! And when ready, just bring your feet towards your hands. Come back up. And en garde. Choo, choo, choo. Oh, nice shoulder roll. En garde. Choo, choo. Nice shoulder roll. Big hug, big self hug. Oh. Oh, side to side. And let's bring our arms out. Maybe holding each other. You can stay like that, or maybe stepping forward. Just look around. Exhale, look down towards your foot. Adjust your back heel. Oh, press in your foot. Press, press, press. Other side. Nice inhale, exhale. Oh, just go at your own pace, modify. Maybe the hands wants to come up. Exhale, press your foot. Release gently the arms. Oh. Yeah. Musketeer, fantastic training, fantastic duel. We came out victorious. My hat to you. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.